Wow, look at the details on the door. Ganda. Pati yung jam, lahat, ganda. Very Asian. But the beauty of this house is when you actually zoom out, which you'll see later, it's very, very modern. So, it's a very interesting mix, mukha siyang resort. That being said, this resort-like modern home is in Alabang Hills Village. Very secluded, not secluded, very private subdivision, very safe. And surprisingly, this house also has a swimming pool in the back, so it's quite massive. So if you want to see the rest of this house, make sure you watch till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the rest of the house tour. Today we'll be going around a brand new house and lot for sale in Alabang Hills Village. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So since, again, as I mentioned, we are inside Alabang Hills Village, this is a secure subdivision and there is no need for a gate. So from the street, this is exactly what you will see. You have an open 4-vehicle carport with access to the male staff quarters. And then off to the left side, you have more staff area, so the female staff quarters and their toilet and bath. And then over here, on the right side, you have a patch of greenery, so you have a garden. And then a few steps leading up to the side of the house, as well as the main entrance. And from here, just look at that. It's obviously a very Asian modern feel, right? But you'll feel that even more once you see the rest of the home. So over here you have a pathway leading to the backyard. We're not going to go through there. We're going to go through the main entrance. And just look at that. So everything is white and clean, very pristine, very modern, very sterile almost. But then you have the door, and it has so much texture and character. And it's not a regular door, it's a double door. So you have that grand entrance, and it even comes with a knocker. Okay, so once you open your double doors though, you will be welcomed by this open space. You have high ceiling, you have minimalist lighting, so puro pin lights lang, and then you have a bit of an accent over there, over the dining area. But this, your living area, and technically your foyer, it's just nice and open with lots of natural light thanks to all of the floor to ceiling windows. So even this area. Oh my goodness. So this is a nice nook, and since you can see it from the street, ang ganda nito. Halimbawa, Christmas time, meron kang Christmas tree dyan, ganda na nakita rin sa labas. And for any other time of the year, you can have different decor that you can just display there. So before we, sige, unahin na natin to. So right next to the main entrance, you have bedroom number 1. Now, this one you could turn into an office since it's right next to the main entrance. Pwede rin naman siyang elderly room or office, what have you. Pwede rin siyang your playroom, etc. But it has a sliding door that leads out to the balcony at the front of the property. So it's all glass. And this balcony goes all the way to the side. So you can have seating over there na medyo tago from the street. Hindi medyo, actually tago talaga siya. Your neighbors aren't gonna see you from the street. So it's up to you what you want to do with this room. But as I mentioned, you can turn it into a bedroom because it has an ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, your partially enclosed shower space. Yes, may echo. The drain is at the very corner. It's just that black square in the corner. And then the frosted glass. Okay. And here you have over there, on that side, you have the toilet. It also comes with sliding door or sliding window, so you can open that up for ventilation. Excuse me. Okay, so let's continue with the rest of the floor. But just take note that all of the doors here have so much character, right? So you have so much space. You have your main stairs over here na tago. Medyo tago siya, but it's quite wide actually. And then over here you have your dining. So may abang na siya. You can have a chandelier there or whatever kind of lighting that you want to add more character. That's really you. But from here, what matters is that you can see your kitchen and your backyard with that gorgeous swimming pool. So the house is almost 100% finished, almost. But that's the reason why you can see some of the construction materials laying around. Meron pang tinatapos. Okay, but before we go outside, you have here your kitchen. And I love how you can tell that this area is just different because the living area and dining has wooden flooring, whereas the kitchen has marble tiles or marble-like tiles. You have an island counter over here, and then some counter space with a sink, and then provision for the rest of your appliances, like pwede dyan yung microwave, etc. This area also has a sliding door. So I want to make sure that there's no glass. I don't know, trauma. So you can also go out to the backyard through the kitchen area. And see, so hindi ba tapos yung landscaping, but you can already see the potential. So basically, it has this very modern Asian resort vibe. That's what I'm getting from it. So currently, the pool is being treated. That's why the water looks like that, but it looks so cool, no? But anyway, imagine putting your own furniture here. Mas lalo siya magmumukhang resort-like lalo. Right, so let's go back in. Then you can see here, like I said, the doors are it has so much texture. So we have a relatively smaller door here that is locked, but this is storage. And then you have another wooden door here with a glass panel in the middle, and this is gonna lead us outside. There we go. To the service area na hindi pa actually tapos. But the tanks are here, the heaters are here, etc. And then you have the stairs leading down to your 4-vehicle carport, as well as your staff area. Okay, let's go back in. Okay. Okay. Alright, so basically this house is, I would say, about 97-96% done. Kasi meron pa palang counter na i-install dito. This is where the stove is gonna go. So, wala pa siya. Oo nga naman, ayun yung abang. Alright. So, oh, that's what the main door looks like from the inside. It's pretty rad. Okay, so let's head up the main stairs. Now, I just want to point out how it's so wide. So 2 or even 3 people can walk up or down the steps at the same time. Not a problem because it's so spacious. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit like and click subscribe if you've been liking the videos so far, to let us know that you like them, because we love making these videos for you. Okay, so let's head up the second floor. Alright, so here, continuation of the steps. I love the color of the steps, by the way. So matching sila no handrail. So it's a dark wood. Ganda. The contrast is so nice against all of the white. Okay, so second floor landing. You have this area. So this is your family area. And again, you have really high ceiling. So it's up to you. Pwede naman itong gawing office, or as I mentioned, the family area. So you can have a couch over here, your TV over here. So it's a little bit more private, but still very accessible to everyone on this floor. Okay, so at the end of this hallway, we have bedroom number 2. So we have this much space. Of course, all of the rooms in this floor is gonna have wooden planks, since it is the bedroom area na, or the more private areas. You still have high ceiling, you have pin lights or down lights, and then nandito yung mga outlets for your entertainment, pati dun sa taas. So ideally, I suppose, you would want your TV over here and then the bed on that side. Then you have an ensuite, toilet and bathroom. It looks so bright. So you have your frosted glass over here for your door. You have a massive window, sliding window on this side, if you can see it. So I would say that's about 1.2 meters from the ground, and then the rest na is just window. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. This is probably not gonna translate so well in the video, but the color isn't white. Parang bluish siya. Parang tubig vibes. So it looks very calming. That's how I see it. And then across this room, we have bedroom number 3. So you have this much space. You have 2 sliding windows over there. And then you have a sliding door over here that leads to its own balcony. So this one is right above the swimming pool. So yung isa naman was right above the garden. Although medyo natamaan niya rin yung swimming pool. Ito talagang, it almost feels like you want to jump down there, but no, please don't. This balcony was not made for jumping onto the swimming pool. Unahan ko na kayo. Don't get any ideas. And then, on the other side, we have the ensuite, toilet, and bath. With your wardrobe, your hanging space, your toilet, your his and hers sinks. They're so cute, by the way. And then you have a shower space here, partially enclosed, which also has a bathtub. So this is the wet area. And then you have more storage space over here. So basically, his and hers wardrobe. And then, just wanna point this out because of the outlets, no? Your TV would go here if you wanted a TV in your bedroom, because not everyone likes that. And then this would be where your king-sized bed would be. So dito yung headboard, based off of the outlets. So at least you have a view of the windows when you wake up. And then at the other end, look at that, it's so picturesque. That is called the picture window, by the way. You can't really open it, it's just fixed. Sorry, nagulat pa kayo. And it's just nice. Okay, so you have 2 doors on either side. And here we have bedroom number 4. So you have this much space, you have a fixed corner window that lets you view, oh, the birds are so nice. Parang nakahilera, hindi na kasi kita. Nakahilera sila dun. Anyway. So you have a corner window here and you can see the rest of your neighborhood, and it's just so peaceful because it's full of trees. Kasi nga kanina, I saw a flock of birds just go by. Actually, we saw a squirrel dyan sa lines. I mean, it's unfortunate that they have to go walk through the lines, but at least they're squirrels. And then you have access to a balcony that goes all the way, or completely at the front of your property. So from there, then it kind of just embraces the facade. Oops, sorry, hello. I know, so I'm just gonna show you na lang. So it goes all the way there. So it's talagang yung buong facade, yung buong harap ng bahay, may balcony. Then on the other side, and I know it's safe to assume na may balcony access din to, no? We have bedroom number 5, which is, oh, pinakita ko ba yung na-skip ko yung toilet and bath. Balikan na lang natin mamaya. But this is the ensuite toilet and bath of this room. So you have your sink, your toilet, and then your partially enclosed shower space. And look at that window. It's so massive. It's a lot higher, so you have privacy naman. But like, because of the high ceiling, talaga, wow, that is a high up window. And then this is the bed area itself. So, hindi pa tapos yung balcony. No? Hanggang dito lang yung balcony. Pero since wala pang glass, nilagay muna nila dyan. Temporary lang. And then you have the sliding doors here that go out to the balcony. Okay, one last stop before we do a recap kasi kalimutan kong ipakita to. So over here, you have storage. Wait, okay, it's an L-shaped storage. So all the way to the left. Ay, joke lang. Hindi pala. It's just this one. Ito na yung storage. And then your sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower space again with a huge window. Okay, that is it. It is time for a recap. Here, dinig ba yun? Yung mga ibon? Ikaw yun, oh! Okay, John can... Kaya gayahin ni John yung mga ibon. Pero legit, I didn't make it up. May mga ibon talaga sa labas ng bahay. Oh, great. Now they're not gonna believe me. Okay, so you have 365 square meters of lot area, dalitan na, and then 610 square meters of floor area, split between 3 levels. You have 4 bedrooms, although yung den kasi pwede naman gawing bedroom since it has also an ensuite hall and bath. So 4 or 5 bedrooms depending on your needs. But again, that 5th room can be a den, can be an office, can be, I don't know, an online room, specifically like a streaming room, etc. So it's up to you. Could be a theater room. And then the layout of this house and the look, para siyang resort. Very modern, very clean, but still has a lot of character thanks to the wood, to the doors, and of course, to the lovely swimming pool in the backyard. And then you have a 4-vehicle carport, and you also have male and female staff quarters and a service area and lots of storage. And again, all of this is inside Alabang Hills Village. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, send this video to them. Or if you want to see it for yourself, and by that time, tapos na yung bahay kasi ngayon may mga parts pang hindi pa tapos na. So send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest. Nagkamali ako. You get it. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.